updates, let's take those up. Now, on delimitation bill, BJP MP Ashok Chavan has said that the numbers matter in a democracy. Today, NDA has numbers. A few of the TMC MPs are on our side. Perhaps a few MPs of DMK are also supporting. Everything will be clear in Parliament session. That's a statement coming in from Ashok Chavan. I want to now once again come to you, Yuvraj. What are the risks of the delimitation bill? They're increasing in the strength of MPs to 850 for 33% reservation to be given to women. Where do you think this stands for the southern states particularly?
This has been one of the biggest misconceptions and fault lines that was created decades ago with regards to delimitation. First of all, we all need to come on the same page that delimitation is a duly constitutional process. It was delayed by 26 years by Indira Gandhi, creating a scarcity, creating an apprehension among the South Indian states कि तुम्हारा representation कम होगा, but I am here as your savior. Second, it was unfortunately pushed forward, taken ahead by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, but not anymore. But Narendra Modi government has announced that you sit with us, we will talk, and we will have a due proportionate delimitation. It will not be any representation, misrepresentation, if I may, or over-representation to any state. So it is a very duly constitutional process. There is no state has to fear nothing. Nothing is negative for South, nothing is over positive for North. And this theory has been peddled, a wrong theory. कि हिंदी भाषी स्टेट जहां पे पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है वहां पे पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है तो उनको रिप्रेजेंटेशन ज्यादा मिलेगा एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट ट्रस्ट मी एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द नॉर्थ साउथ डिवाइड देयर इज नथिंग टू फियर एंड दैट इज व्हाई डीएमके somehow has alluded to supporting the NDA when it comes to delimitation, but with caveats, with terms and conditions. But yes, I see a palpable support to the NDA. So if you ask me, I would take ahead what Mr. Kumar Rakesh ji just said. There is nothing called the dotted Indy block as of now. It is just Rahul Gandhi and Unki Sena and the DMK to me or to any sane person if you ask who tracks today's politics is a part of NDA plus. NDA somehow has what 320 or 318 to the best that I know. Let's add 22 of DMKs. If they vote, they will vote in favor of the NDA or at best they can abstain. But I see them as an extension of NDA in today's date. And as I say, कि वो jilted girlfriend है तो उनको बदला तो लेना राहुल गांधी से. So they will back NDA by hook or by crook. And rest, Amit Shah is playing and keeping his cards very close to his chest that we do not know. But trust me, NDA will pass its bill in this session between July 20 and August 13. Everything will be done and dusted, cut and dried. Mark my words.
All right. Thank you all for joining me in the discussion. Viewers, we will cut back to the monsoon session at noon. For now, let's move across. We now have news from Karnataka. 24-year-old man